It's an unboxing. It's an unboxing video. Hey, watch me unbox my ornament. Well, guys, I went out hunting for Halloween the other day, so I thought I'd unbox what I found for you. We're going to start off with the mysterious Mickey jack-o'-lantern. The Hallmark keepsake ornaments. I have a lot of Disney Christmas Hallmark, but this is the first time I've bought anything for the fall, but it's a light-up Mickey. How could I not? It's too iconic. Requires Hallmark keepsake power cord. So it's a good thing I have one of those. Ooh, all wrapped up. Oh, there's some instructions in there. Okay, use and care instructions. Connect the transformer to the power cord shown in illustration A. Arrange the power cord on your tree or mantle. Connect coordinating keepsake power cord ornaments or accessories to the power cord, and then insert it into a 120-volt wall outlet. Of course, with some important safety precautions for indoor use only. Yes. Okay, so let's unwrap him. Let's see what he looks like, shall we? Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, Mickey jack-o'-lanterns are like what Halloween is to me. So this is too awesome. Oh my goodness. He's so cool. So I'm going to get, oh, there he just rolled right over because he is an ornament. He doesn't really sit. He hangs. So I'm going to get the power cord out so you can see him all lit up. It's so cool. Oh my goodness. He's changing light color or flickering. He flickers and then changes lights a little. Oh, it's color changing. Oh, that is so cool. All right, that's a definite. I'm so glad I bought that. You want to see what else I got? One more Disney item that I found. All right, there's no real unboxing to this because it didn't come in a box. But look what I found at TJ Maxx. Happy Halloween, Mickey and Minnie. They're little mummy cells. I love it. Black and orange flecks for the snow globe. And of course, the Mickey Mouse jack-o'-lantern up front. That's what makes it Halloween, by golly. Not bad for August. I found a few things. You know I'm going to keep looking through the whole holiday season because nothing says Halloween like a Mickey Mouse jack-o'-lantern. I hope y'all are having a happy holiday season.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!